Hello and welcome to what is almost completed of Project Spitfire. I've put all the decals on now and I've done the antenna, and as you can see it looks absolutely wonderful. I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. I haven't taken the masks off the cockpit yet because we're going to do a bit of spraying in flat clear, because as you can see the decals do have a shine to them and well they look like decals, so with a nice bit of flat clear we'll cure that. And the antenna was done with just a bit of plastic that I stretched and heated up, and it looks really effective, and I'm sure you'll agree. It looks absolutely beautiful now in its Battle of Britain colours, and it's a very fitting tribute to my wonderful and awesome father. I'm sure you would have loved this and appreciated it for everything it is. And there's all the details on there as well, all the stickers, and I've done a lot of detailing in there. I put extra black in where the wheel wells would go, with them being up and down all the time. They pick up all sorts of dirt and rubbish. That is the name. Oh, the wrong way round. That is the name of the model there, just for future reference, because I'm not going to be able to remember it in 12 months' time. And if you have a look at it from the front, you'll see it's absolutely wonderful. I haven't got the propeller on yet. That's off to one side. We will be spraying that because that needs good spraying as well. I'm sure you can see get a bit closer so you can see the detail in the cockpit as well. I'm really happy with this, and before we get on I'd just like to say thank you to Tamiya for a wonderful model. It's really beautiful model, and also thank you to Mr. Colour for all these wonderful colours, and as you can see I also punched through the holes on this because I want it to look like it's I didn't want to beat it up and age it too much. I just wanted it to look like it has been used but not excessively used. And overall I'm really happy and really pleased. So without further ado, let's do some spraying. I'm going to do the underside first because that's always the most difficult. So we'll just put it on its belly like that. I have to put on the fan, so excuse the noise. And this is what I'm spraying it up with. This will give it a nice UV protection as well, so it won't yellow, it won't darken, it will always have its colours and detail, and this is a really good thing for protecting decals as well. Okay, we'll leave that for 10 minutes and then we'll put another coat on. See you in a bit. Bye now. Hello and welcome back. And the underside is now all nicely coated, and as you can see it's nowhere as shiny as it was, and all the decals have now blended in with the model, and it looks really nice, and I'm really happy with how that's looked. And all we have to do now is the top part. So I got my trusty can of spray, and we're going to shake it up and we're going to finish it off. Okay, well that's one coat. I'm going to go off and put the rest of the coats on and then show you guys what it's like, and we can take the masks off the canopy and put the propeller on and should be all finished. So until then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye now. Hello and welcome back to what is probably the final episode of Project Spitfire. And as you can see, everything is painted now. I've put the final coat on, and it's really dulled it down. It's taken away all the sheen and the shine of the decals, and it's really brought them out as well. You can really see all the details, and I'm just so happy with the way that this has turned out. It really does look quite magnificent. So all I have to do now is to take off the masks from the windscreen and to put the propeller on, and then it'll be ready to take pride in place in my home. So I've got my tools. I've got my scalpel, and I've got some tweezers, and of course I've got a little nail thing that the propeller is sitting on. So we'll take that off first. Really stiff it is with the lacquer. Now if you watched the other video, you'll probably know that I did how you do it on basically how to get clear glass to look like plastic. It's the tricky part now, trying to, because it forms like a seal, so you just got to try and pick away at it until you can get it lifted up. Actually, I think I've got it there. Nope. See if we can get it started in the corner. It's stuck down that well that it's resisting quite a lot actually. Ah, that's it. Might need a bit more actually. There we go. Now I've got it. There's one side off. And that looks really good already, doesn't it? I'm really impressed with that. Let's see if we can get the front canopy clear. Yeah, there it is. Oh, got to stick to my hand there. And we got this final one in the middle. There we go. How about that? Doesn't that look good? I'm really happy with that. I'm really impressed with it. It looks really nice. That there's all the shine and all the sheen on it. It looks really good. I'm really happy with that and the way it looks. And it's really bringing out the shine of it. And it really looks like glass. And I'm very, very happy with the way that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. It really is. You know, really looks like a Spitfire now. And all we have to do is put the propeller on. So we'll just take off that, and there we go. Isn't that good, eh? You know, a very fitting tribute for my wonderful father, who was in the RAF, and he loved Spitfires. He loved to see these fly, and he worked on them and he maintained them, you know, and he absolutely loved them. He always did. He had a wonderful fondness for him, and he was such an awesome and iconic man. So this is for you, Dad. and all of you people out there. And I hope that you enjoyed building this with me as much as I did, and I hope that you picked up some hints and tips and all sorts of things. And until the next video, you all take care and have an awesome weekend. Bye now.